Hello, welcome to this new tips and tricks video. I'm Thomas and today I want to share something about how you can prevent collision with other agents in Zendesk. There is a feature where you can prevent of multiple agents working on the same ticket, and this feature also shows the status of other agents in a ticket. It's very useful, so I want to show you. If you go to the agent workspace, and as you can see, I have my views open and I have two open tickets. And immediately as an agent, you can spot that another agent is working on one of these tickets. So in views, there is an eye icon that appears next to tickets that are being viewed by another agent. That's what you see here. And the moment that you hover over the ticket, then you also see in the details that another agent is viewing this ticket. The moment I open the ticket, then you will see that in the tickets the collision details appear in the upper left corner. That's what you see here. These details can tell you how each agent is interacting with the ticket from the formatting of their picture or by hovering over it with your mouse. The first one is when agents has like a dimmed picture, and this means that the ticket is open, but the agent has like navigated away from it. This is what we call the idle status. The next status is when agents have like a regular picture. Once you see like this regular picture, it means that the agent is viewing the ticket but not actively adding any fields. That's the viewing status. And the next and the last status is when the profile picture is outlined in blue. It means that agents are editing the ticket. So this is like the editing status. So very useful feature. Thanks for watching and I hope I see you next time. Bye bye.